Hey you guys, and what is up, and welcome back to my channel. This is Annabelle, the Curvy Planner on Instagram, YouTube, and all the social media. And today we are going to be decorating my Happy Planner. I'm so excited. This is going to be my first week in my Happy Planner. If you didn't see already, I did post a monthly of this. It was pretty simple, but it turned out really cute. And now we're going to do a weekly. I'm not sure if I'm going to use these pages, but for now I'm going to go ahead and keep them blank. And if I don't use them, then I'll just glue them down and continue on with the week. But this is what the weekly looks like. This is the parenting layout. So it has top 5, home chores, to buy, due date, meal plans, notes, and then a weekly section. So a week on one page with a list of to-dos. And I have a couple sticker books, not too many, but I have the, this one doesn't work because this is like a, what is it called? Is it parent? It's called Little Love, but it's a parenting sticker book, so that one really wouldn't work. This is the sticker book that I used for the monthly section, so maybe we'll stick with the same theme, but if not, I also have this one from Calva Plan and Whimsy Luxe collaboration. I also have this from Van Doe and just my little stickers, icon stickers that I keep, so we'll figure it out. I don't really have a lot of stickers that are like sticker books. I definitely have like individual stickers, but I'm not sure if I'll use any of those. Although who knows? Let's see what we have going on here. So I do have Monchichi stickers, which I love so much. I love me Monchichi stickers. I also have some Snoopy stickers, which would be really cute, honestly. I think Snoopy would be really cute if I'm being honest with you guys, but I'm gonna set these to the side. If not, I'm thinking Monchichi stickers would be really cute. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, there's also this. Some of these could work. Okay, I think I'll set some of these off to the side. Oh, I also have like star stickers because it is going to be the 4th of July spread, so maybe something like that. Monchichi stickers. Okay, I think I'm gonna look through those and see what works with this spread and what doesn't. Because it is gonna be the 4th of July spread. I want it to be a little patriotic, not too patriotic. Like, I don't know, I just always feel a little weird when it comes to like some of the seasons, but like at least some of the holidays. But I do have like stars. Like, I don't have any patriotic stickers. I don't have any 4th of July stickers, but I figured like this sheet could work out. What else? Even this one could work out. Maybe not these. There's also blue in here. I think we can work with that. Let me see if I have a washi that we can use. Give me just a moment. Okay, so I grabbed 3 washies. These 2 are from Coffee Monster Co. This one is from Once More with Love. I figured I would grab this city one because I grabbed this sticker sheet that has like city stuff, and I figured maybe that would look kind of cool. Also grabbed a blue one, and I figured this is black and white and kind of neutral, and it would work with any one of them. So I think let's just start laying down some stickers, if I'm being honest. I for sure do want to use the Statue of Liberty. I feel like there's going to be no other opportunity for me to use this, so let's just stick this on. Maybe on the 4th of July. I think I'm going to do it right here. I don't feel like I'm going to use the to-do list very much, so why not? We can even do like an overlay type of thing. Let me see if I can pick it up a little bit. That's pretty cool. Is there a blue? Maybe the sunglasses will look kind of cool. Like right here. That's pretty cute. And then maybe these stars right here. Actually, I'm going to put it up here so I can cover up the to-do list because I'm not going to use that at all. I figured it just makes sense. And then the other section that I don't think I'm going to use is the top 5. So I feel like that would give me an opportunity to do like a little collage of stickers. So for sure, I think this little globe would be kind of cool. Let me grab white out. This little disco ball, I called it a globe. I don't need to like white it out completely, but I wanted to white out just enough. But I think I'm gonna use, I'm thinking this one. Like it's kind of like a celebration, you know what I mean? Like that. Put that right there. Yeah, and then I want a red one. Just a red something. Is there a red over here maybe that I could use? There is red. There's a red bow, but I already used the bow. There's a red heart. Oh, these stars are cute. I'm gonna use these. Actually, let me add the red one that I wanted to use, maybe like this. Yeah. And that. I think that's cute. I'm not going to overdo it. We also have some gold ones. Should we add some gold stars? I don't want to cover up the home chores, so I think right there. Right there. And right here is cute enough for me. Now washi. Should we add washi? I think if I do, I think it's going to be the black and white one. Maybe the blue one would look kind of cute. Actually, I'm going to add the blue one. I think that'll be fun. Very fun little section. And I do have a washi cutter that I got. Here it is. Here it is. Oh, perfect. I think I'm going to add some more down here. Oh, that's cute. And then add some right here. I am going to lift the heart and the little martini glass because I want the washi to go over that, not over that. So, like right here. Ah, heart, come on. Oh, that is so cute. I think it's fine if it goes over the Wednesday a little bit. So I'm gonna cut it right there. And then maybe I'll put some down here. It's like right below the due dates. Right here. Oh, that's adorable. I feel like it took us little to no time, you guys. That's so cute. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna add some of these stars because this is the last sheet that I have of this, and I feel like, I don't know, I would just add to it. Add just a couple. I definitely have a lot of stars here. So maybe like right here. And maybe another one right here. I think that's cute. I think that's good enough. I'm not going to add any more. That was definitely a fast spread. I feel like I didn't really do too much, but I think it looks really cute. I think it turned out adorable. So that was a quick one. So I hope you enjoyed it. I can't even talk. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe, and I will see y'all again pretty soon for another video. Bye.